Seltoon Hot Springs, and I think you want to stay on the trail for this. Mud parts are formed when steam rises through the ground and rocks dissolve, and it causes it to be slushy, like a slushy machine at like 7-Eleven. These mud pots are made of salt, gypsum, and sulfur, and boy, you can smell the sulfur. So we're in the Reykjanes Peninsula, and I'm in a town right now that had to evacuate because of volcanoes. And the town name is Grindavik, and we're in the Grindavik harbor right now, right? It's the Grindavik Fair Hot Springs and a lighthouse over there and a power station. Let's go! So, right above the hot spring, it's really cool. It's called Gunna, and it's named after a ghost. You can pause the video right there to read. Well, it looks like there's a bridge over there. That's unfortunate. It would be crazy to cross. Like real crazy. Now we landed on the moon. Just kidding, we're walking up a crater. Well, we're almost to the top, and there's really cool volcanic rocks everywhere. And look how cool this black sand is. Alright, we finally made it to the top after all that walking. And volcanoes don't have to be these mountains that shoot lava everywhere. It could just be this. I'm on top of a volcanic crater. See? Now I'm inside of the crater. Right here where I'm standing, the earth used to puke.
What he meant to say, lava used to be shooting out of the ground.
See, always stay on the path. Look at this sinkhole. So, this is Europe. That's North America. See the ridge? Yeah, it's the plates we all about. Welcome to the North American plate. Well, we're back in the Eurasian plate. Uh-oh, these are some big footprints. These are like 100 of my feet. I think I know who left them. Herbert Puttipan. Wait, no, it's Herbert. I'm ready to go into Giant's Cave. That's a small chair to him.
This actually looks really big.
Yeah, no, really. She's sleeping, be quiet. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. That's where my Binky went. It's Mr. Binkles. The giant farted in your sleep. Let's go out of here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick stop at Keflavik Harbor. Hope you enjoyed the Reykjanes Peninsula. Reykjanes Peninsula. Hope you enjoyed the Reykjanes Peninsula. And this is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe.